me also take this to our colleague Shivani, who's also been tracking this story very closely for us. Shivani, comment on this. You know, we've actually been tracking every move of why this entire story reeks of collusion with the rich and the powerful to get away as far as, you know, the long arms of the law are concerned. But look at this. Why should the father be even wanting to do a press conference right now if this is not a diversionary tactic, if the motive is not to influence the police? He should stay out of this.
That's right. It's quite unusual that he's doing a press conference right now. You can see the visuals of the police preparation here, given the fact that this case has been in media limelight, Deepthi, and a lot of media is here. The police is now creating a cordon so that Vikas Barala, who's expected any time now, can be taken into this cordon without much hassle to keep the media away as well. You can see the cordon is now being built. The DSP was out just a short while ago. He came and spoke to the media and said and requested that, you know, we want you to move to one side. This is obviously, in comparative terms, a smaller police station. And a lot of media here, as much media as is the police personnel here. So that is why the cordon is being placed now, and all the media is being placed behind that cordon. Very quickly, I want to keep showing you the visuals because we'll have to soon move behind the cordon as well. Sir, just one comment on the preparation. You hope that everything will go smoothly? So just one comment on that.
Ma'am, let us do our work, please.
Yeah, sure. How soon is he expected? That's DSP there, Satish Kumar. He's not willing to speak there, saying, let us do our job. This is the police cordon being made, the media being put behind it. And this is the building behind the cordon where Vikas Barala will be taken and his friend is also expected here. Remember earlier, the deadline was 11 a.m. They did not make it, and we were hearing that they will appear in the next few hours, in the 2 to 3 hours. But the curious case is, of course, of his father holding a press conference, even as he's expected here. That is very much a diversionary tactic. And what is he going to say, even before his son appears here, is a big question. Already he has spoken and saying his son is coming to the police. So what is more that Subhash Barala wants to say? Is he going to play victim? Is he going to play victim for his son?
Absolutely.
Is he going to say that there's been hounding and his son has been following the legal procedure, Deepthi? Yes. Okay, so this is the cordon that has been made. My cameraman son, Devendra, will show us the entire cordon which has been built, and the media has been put on one side. Extensive preparations being made by the police here to ensure nothing untoward happens. We can imagine that they also do have a task at hand because this has been a very, very hugely covered case in Chandigarh. So what started as a normal day at 9 a.m. when there wasn't any unusual deployment, now, a short while ago, we saw many police cars coming in with police personnel, and now all of them have made a cordon. Now ropes are also being brought in to strengthen that cordon. We can see the DSP here supervising the preparations himself. We want to keep showing you the visuals so that our viewers can get a sense of how extensive the preparation is being made. If Vikas Barala comes here, then it will be 3 hours after the deadline has passed. So there are 2 cordons being made here. Devendra, if you can also pan from this cordon to that cordon, you will see there's a cordon being made on the boundaries of the police compound on both sides. So the way is clear in between of the compound for the car to come in. The car will come in and Vikas Barala will be taken inside. This behind me is the gate from where the car is going to come in. There is still the cordon yet to be established here. But the car will come in from here and go in, and the cordon has been made so that there is no problem as far as the access to Vikas is concerned. When we tried to speak to the DSP, he wasn't very willing to talk about it. Earlier, he came out only to request the media to get onto one side so that they can make their preparations. A briefing was done to the entire personnel here about how to handle it. After that, they decided to make these 2 cordons. Earlier, they wanted media to get on one side, but now they have strengthened the cordon twice over. And you can see on the other side of that red building is the DSP's office on the behind. The man on our frame also is DSP speaking on the phone right now. He must be getting updates as to how far Vikas Barala and his car is. So this is turning out to be quite a spectacle here, Deepthi, of a culmination that one had expected over for quite some time over the last 5 days of when Vikas Barala is going to appear before the media. Because remember, the last time he was picked up and then released on bail, this case had just happened. And he was released on bail. There wasn't much attention on it. And it was that triggering point that brought all of that attention on him. So this is going to be the first time that Vikas Barala is going to be in front of the media. One wonders if he's going to show his face or even maybe make a statement in front of the media. The media contingent has been put on to one side.